Welcome to the Man Style Decree, the channel dedicated to helping mature men elevate their style with confidence and purpose. Today, we're breaking down the most common shirt mistakes that make men over 40 and 50 look older and how to fix them with simple, powerful upgrades. Your style should reflect strength, wisdom, and modern masculinity. And improving your shirt choices is one of the fastest ways to transform your presence. If you're ready to look sharper, younger, and more refined every day, make sure to subscribe and join our community of men who never stop improving. 1. Wearing shirts that are too loose. A loose shirt instantly weakens the presence of a man over 50, creating a slouchy shape that adds years rather than confidence. The Man Style Decree emphasizes that mature men look strongest when their clothing supports their natural frame. Excessive fabric around the chest, waist, or sleeves makes the posture appear tired, removing structure and reducing sharpness. A properly fitted shirt doesn't cling, but it skims the body with intention, showing clean lines and modern appeal. Choosing tailored proportions refreshes your silhouette and highlights maturity in a powerful way. When your shirt fits correctly, you look more energized, more confident, and unmistakably more stylish. Fit is the foundation of modern masculine elegance, especially for men over 50 who want to maintain a youthful yet refined presence. Two, shirts that are too tight. A shirt that clings too tightly to the body makes men over 50 appear tense, uncomfortable, and older than intended. The Man Style Decree promotes balance. Mature style should prioritize controlled structure, not restriction. When buttons strain, seams pull, and fabric stretches unnaturally, it highlights areas you may prefer to downplay. A semi-fitted shirt offers shape without pressure, bringing elegance and mobility into harmony. This approach softens harsh lines and enhances posture, allowing your natural confidence to show. Replacing overly tight shirts with relaxed fitted ones immediately updates your appearance with calm maturity. Comfort decides charisma, and when your clothing moves with your body, you project strength and timeless sophistication. The right fit makes every man over 50 look refreshed and effortlessly stylish. Three, wearing shirts with faded colors. Faded shirts remove vibrancy from your appearance and make men over 50 look older by dulling facial brightness and reducing overall presence. The Man Style Decree highlights the importance of wearing shirts with strong, well-preserved colors that enhance vitality. When color fades, it reflects tiredness and a lack of freshness, even if the fit is right. Deep, saturated colors like navy, forest green, or charcoal help maintain a youthful energy and sharpen your features. Updating your wardrobe with richer hues instantly revives your style and creates a more powerful, confident impression. A mature man looks his best when his clothing appears alive, intentional, and maintained with care. Color quality is a subtle but critical tool for regaining a youthful, elevated look. 4. Outdated collar styles. An outdated collar instantly dates your entire outfit and can age men over 50 more than any other small detail. The Man Style Decree stresses that collar structure frames the face and heavily influences the impression of modernity. Semi-spread and spread collars offer balanced proportions that enhance jawline and posture, giving a fresh contemporary aesthetic. Outdated collars appear flimsy or overly pointy, reducing sophistication and giving the impression of an older era. Upgrading collar design modernizes your look immediately without replacing the whole wardrobe. A sharp collar conveys intention, authority, and clean maturity, helping men over 50 look current and well-presented. Details matter, and collar shape is one of the most powerful, subtle upgrades available. 5. Misusing short-sleeve button-ups. Short-sleeve button-up shirts can work beautifully for men over 50, but the wrong style creates an outdated aging effect. The Man's Style Decree recommends choosing modern, minimal short-sleeve shirts with fitted sleeves and clean silhouettes. Oversized sleeves flare out and appear old-fashioned, while loud patterns make the outfit look unstylish and dated. A refined short-sleeve shirt maintains sharpness with a sleek torso shape, balanced sleeve opening, and muted color palette. This approach keeps you looking fresh, relaxed, and masculine without sacrificing sophistication. When done correctly, short sleeves offer breathable comfort and contemporary style, perfect for warm days while still maintaining mature elegance. Six, ignoring layer-friendly shirt fabrics. During autumn and winter, one of the biggest style mistakes men over 50 make is choosing shirts that cannot layer properly. The Man's Style Decree highlights that colder seasons demand shirts with enough structure to hold up under sweaters, jackets, or coats without bunching awkwardly. Thin, flimsy fabrics collapse under layers, creating messy lines that make you look older and less refined. Conversely, overly heavy shirts add bulk, limiting movement and diminishing your silhouette. A balanced medium-weight fabric delivers warmth, smooth layering, and sharp structure. When your shirt complements the seasonal layers, instead of fighting them, you appear composed, modern, and confident. Mature style thrives on intentional layering. And mastering fabric choice ensures you maintain sophistication even in colder weather. Seven, wearing overly bold patterns in cold seasons, autumn and winter call for deeper tones and refined simplicity. Yet many men over 50 choose loud patterns that clash with seasonal aesthetics. The Man's Style Decree encourages patterns that enhance sophistication rather than overwhelm it. Bold graphics or oversized checks amplify visual noise, making you appear older and out of touch. Instead, subtle patterns like thin microchecks or fine herringbone add depth without overpowering. During cold seasons, these understated textures complement outerwear and seasonal colors beautifully. When your pattern blends harmoniously with jackets or coats, you maintain elegance and authority. A mature man looks his best when his clothing communicates subtle confidence, and refined patterns deliver that perfectly. Eight, choosing shiny or synthetic fabrics in winter. Shiny synthetic shirts can look cheap and emphasize age, especially during colder seasons when matte textures appear richer and more appropriate. The Man's Style Decree recommends natural or textured fabrics that absorb light instead of reflecting it harshly. Shiny materials highlight wrinkles, uneven surfaces, and create an artificial tone that feels outdated. Winter calls for textures like brushed cotton, wool blends, or soft twills that offer warmth and depth. These fabrics complement coats, scarves, and layered looks effortlessly. Mature men look more distinguished when their shirts feel substantial, season-appropriate, and visually grounded. Choosing matte, textured fabrics ensures your style remains refined, modern, and aligned with cold season aesthetics. Nine, not adjusting shirt length for layered outfits. In autumn and winter, shirt length becomes crucial because layering can easily distort proportions. The Man's Style Decree notes that many men over 50 wear shirts that are either too short, the midsection, when moving, or too long, causing sloppy bunching under sweaters or jackets. Proper seasonal style requires shirts with well-measured hems that tuck smoothly or hang cleanly under outerwear. When length is balanced, your layers fall naturally, giving you a strong vertical line that enhances height and confidence. Mature style thrives on clean proportions, and correcting shirt length instantly sharpens your seasonal look. Well-constructed hems ensure comfort, warmth, and a smooth, elegant silhouette. Sticking to summer colors in cold seasons. 1. Common mistake men over 50 make during autumn and winter is wearing bright summer colors that clash with the muted seasonal palette. The man's style decree emphasizes that cold season style thrives on earthy, deep, and grounded tones that complement the environment and outerwear. Light pastels or vivid brights appear unseasonal and can unintentionally highlight signs of aging. Instead, embracing colors like deep chestnut, charcoal, navy, moss, or wine instantly enhances maturity and blends seamlessly with coats and scarves. Shifting your palette to match the season creates harmony and sophistication, while maintaining warmth and visual depth. Seasonal color awareness is a subtle but powerful way to elevate your style effortlessly. Wearing shirts with weak button quality. Many men over 50 overlook button quality, yet it contributes heavily to elegance, especially in mid-autumn and early winter, when shirts must withstand heavier out. The man's style decree notes that weak. Shiny plastic buttons look cheap and highlight age by appearing fragile, next to seasonal textures like wool jackets or knit cardigans. Stronger materials such as matte resin or horn-style buttons bring depth and authority to your shirt's appearance. Poor button quality also breaks easily under layered weight, disrupting your outfit and reducing visual confidence. Upgrading button style and construction is a subtle but powerful way to refine your look. It makes your shirt feel premium even when paired with heavier seasonal layers. Mature style thrives on strong, well-built details that reinforce presence and sophistication. 12. Neglecting textured autumn fabrics. In mid-autumn transitioning into winter, texture becomes an essential element of refined masculine style. The man's style decree observes that many men over 50 were overly smooth, flat fabrics that lack depth, making the outfit look plain and less season-appropriate. Rich textures like autumn corduroy, brushed malung, or soft dobby weaves add visual interest without overpowering maturity. A textured shirt balances beautifully with jackets, scarves, and seasonal outerwear. Texture also softens aging features by absorbing light rather than reflecting it harshly. When done correctly, it creates warmth, character, and elevated charisma. A man over 50 instantly appears more distinguished when embracing seasonal fabrics that blend sophistication with tactile richness. 13. Wearing shirts with stiff, uncomfortable fabric. A common mistake men over 50 make during the shift from autumn to winter is wearing shirts made from stiff twift, inflexible fabrics that restrict movement, especially when layering under heavier jackets. The man's style decree emphasizes that comfort and fluidity are key to maintaining a youthful, confident appearance. Rigid material causes awkward folds and disrupts clean lines, making you look tense and older. Soft but structured fabrics like brushed sateen, winter-washed cotton, or flexible lyocell blends create smoother movement, perfect for colder seasons. They mold comfortably to the body while maintaining elegance under coats and cardigans. Choosing shirts with gentle drape enhances posture and boosts overall presence, giving mature men a more refined and relaxed look. Choosing shirts with poor cuff structure. As temperatures drop and layering becomes essential, shirts with poorly structured cuffs become a major problem for men. Over 50, the man's style decree explains that flimsy or overly large cuffs create messy stacking under sweaters and jackets, making the arms look bulky and uneven. Well-constructed cuffs maintain shape, support smooth layering, and enhance wrist definition, which is crucial when wearing watches or gloves. Strong cuff structure also keeps sleeves in place, preventing constant readjustment and preserving composure. A mature man's style gains authority when every detail feels controlled and intentional. The right cuff design elevates your entire cold season look, blending practicality with modern refinement. (15) Wearing shirts with weak shoulder construction. In the colder months, poor shoulder construction becomes very noticeable as shirts must support heavier layers like jackets, scarves, and overcoats. The man's style decree points out that weak or collapsing shoulders make men over 50 appear slouched, tired, and less confident. Strong shoulders seems create a sharp masculine line that enhances posture and elevates overall presence. A well-built shoulder frame ensures the shirt sits correctly when layered, preventing sagging and improving silhouette structure. Mature men gain instant authority and balance when their clothing maintains shape across the upper body. Correcting shoulder construction is one of the most transformative upgrades for autumn-winter styling, giving your outfit strength and modern refinement. Thank you for watching the Man's Style Decree. By avoiding these shirt mistakes and choosing smarter, season-appropriate pieces, you can carry yourself with confidence, authority, and timeless masculine style. Remember, great style isn't about looking younger, it's about looking powerful, capable, and intentional at every age. If this video helped you upgrade your wardrobe choices, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with other men who want to look their best. Stay sharp, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next style guide.